Hello friends, welcome to part 49 of Laravel 13 series in which we are getting the AI powered e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the AI features that we have started from part 39. Here you can see in part 39 we have described the features that we are going to do, and all these features we are integrating one by one. So we reached part 49 in which we are going to integrate the AI product FAQ generator. We are going to generate FAQs from product description using OpenAI. So in this part, we will use OpenAI to automatically generate frequently asked questions from the existing product description and display them on the product detail page. The FAQs will be generated dynamically using AI, so no database changes or new product fields are required. So I'm going to show you this is the product description, okay? And in last part, we able to generate the key features from the help of AI. And now we are going to generate the FAQ, and FAQ we are going to show after below product description, okay? And the FAQ will be generated with the help of this product description as well. So earlier on, see, I have just modified the product description content from the AI setting from 50 to 200 words with the writing tone technical, so that I have more FAQs. Even then you can able to make it more like if you want to increase it to some formal, like the formal writing tone, and I want to 300, I want here the 300 description, then I can able to save it and will generate the description for Samsung Galaxy Mobile from here. Once it will get saved here, the setting is saved, and now I'm going to generate once again, and will have more content, more description, so that I have more FAQs. So here you can see now the description is more enough. Okay, you can see now it is more enough. Okay, so I'm going to save this description. So I can get this description here as well of the 300 words. Now it will move. Okay. Yes. So here you can see the key features are now based on this description. So let's work on this thing, and we are going to follow these steps for the FAQ. So one more function we are going to add in the AI service, in which we have all the AI functions one by one. We are adding it, and now we are going to add generate product FAQs. And in this function as well, we are going to uh, send the product description to the AI along with the prompt. Prompt we are going to send like you are an expert e-commerce product content assistant. Your task is to generate useful, frequently asked questions from the given product description. So these are the rules that we are going to send. But first of all, let's copy this function and we'll paste in AI service.pp file. I'm going to tell the rules that we are going to send to the AI in the next step. Here I'm going to copy and we'll add it in AI service.php file. AI setting, I think, yeah, AI setting or AI service, AI service .php file here, this one. So, so this is the file where we are going to add. I'm going to add this function at the bottom. After this function, generate product highlights, I'm going to align these functions so that I can able to close these functions. Okay. So after this, I'm going to add the another function. This is the function I'm going to add generate product FAQs. Okay. As well, like this. Okay, so generate product FAQs I have added here in the AI service.pp file. So this function, once again, we are using the prompt engineering to give clear instructions to AI and ensure that it generates useful and properly structured FAQs. The most important rules are use all information that is planned in the product description, and do not invent or assume any information. For example, if the product description says the phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, AI can generate these kind of FAQs. See, the AI can generate like the question is how much RAM does the phone have? So the answer is the phone comes with 8 GB RAM. Okay, so it is based on the product description. These kind of question and answer the AI is going to generate. But AI will not generate the false information. Okay, so we will clearly tell AI that don't generate any kind of fake information. Generate only the information from the product description. Generate only the FAQs from the product description. Okay, but if the product description does not mention battery capacity, AI should not assume one. Okay, so this is the rule that we have tell to AI, use all information that is present in the product description. Okay, do not invent or assume any information. Okay, so the AI is going to send us the JSON data, and we are going to use the JSON data to show in the product detail page. Okay, we are going to convert it into string to show it in product detail page in the for each loop. Okay, or we can simply convert it to array and will show it in for each loop in the product detail page. Okay, so this is the code that we are going to add. Going to update the product controller now, and below the AI feature, that thing we have done the features. So below that we are going to add the product FAQ code. Okay, below features code. Here, see, here is the feature code. We even debug last time to check that whether it is coming or not. Okay, so below it I'm going to add the AI product FAQs, in which we are going to send the product description to the generate product FAQs. So this function we are going to call that we have defined in the AI service, so that AI service can communicate with the OpenAI to get the JSON data of FAQs from the product description. Okay, so after this, we are going to also we are required to return these FAQs. We are going to return here below the key features. Here you can see after key features, we are going to add the FAQs so that we can able to display the FAQs in the product detail page. So the last step is to update the product detail page so that we can able to show the FAQs in the product detail page. So we are going to add the CSS for the product FAQs. So the CSS we will add where we have the other CSS as well. Here we are going to add the CSS. Okay. So after this, we are going to add the FAQ code wherever we want to display it. Okay, we are going to add this for each loop for the FAQs. We are going to display it below product description. So I'm going to search for the description. This is the short description, and this is the long description. And we are going to display it below the product description. Okay, like this. So it's JS also we require to add. We are already having some kind of JS at bottom, and we are going to add after add to cart button. Here we are going to add its JS as well. Under ready function. Okay, so all done. Now we are going to refresh and we'll see the FAQs if get generated. Here you can see FAQs are generated here. So our FAQs are generated like this is the question. What are the key features of the Samsung Galaxy S24? So you can see all these FAQs are generated from this product description. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 FAQs, 7 frequently asked questions have been generated from this description. So it is more attractive. Like someone want to know the features, he will just see what are the key features of the Samsung Galaxy S24. He able to check all the details of the key features from here. Does the Samsung Galaxy S24 have 5G connectivity? And yes, the Galaxy S24 supports 5G connectivity. So here the complete description comes into FAQ, and this FAQ will give the more clarity to the user. Okay. So with the help of AI, we can generate these kind of FAQ for every product with the help of the product description. So I hope that you can also able to do this at your end. And if you have any query, you can surely contact me. And please subscribe this Tech Developer YouTube channel. You can search for Tech Developers and you can open the channel, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code. This is the app. You can install the app as well for all the latest tutorials. And for joining the channel, you can just open its channel, youtube.com/tech developers, and join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Bye bye.